Hello, my name is Paul Tiley, and we are going to look at a free piece of software. Well, actually, it's not even software, it's a website where you can do screen recordings like this one for absolutely free. As long as you have internet connection, of course, and Google Chrome, you can use this. Most of the software that I normally use, particularly Camtasia, is actually quite expensive, and if you just want to give some basic demonstrations of products or software or affiliate products or even courses, you can use this free software. You can use this software, download and then edit it in another piece of software which you can get free. For instance, Windows 10 has Windows Video or Movie Maker or something like that, which is free. So potentially you could design a whole course or look at affiliate products totally for free if you don't mind doing it at a fairly basic level. So let's take a quick look and see what it's like, this piece of software. Now I'm actually talking to my screen 1, and then I have screen 2, and then I have screen 3, which has got the software, so it's going to get confusing for me. So if I'm looking at you and then looking there, that's why. Anyway, so let's take a quick look. I'll move this out of the way so you can see my beautiful jawline and mouth. So anyway, this is called Loom, and all you have to do is go to the Google extension website, and you basically just search for Loom and you just add it, and it's as simple as that. You sign up, you can use your Gmail account or your Facebook account. You sign up, you have an account, and then basically you if I take you off here, you can see this is my main page, and all you have to do is press new video and you'll be able to start a film. Now for some reason it's not recognizing, so I'm going to click up the little icon which is the zoom icon here, and there you go, it starts. Don't know why, but there you go, and there I am. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. So when you come to record, obviously the first thing you want to do is make sure it's set up correctly. You have three options here. You can either have the screen and camera, so you got your screen there and you got your camera. So for example, if you're reviewing a product, you may want to, like I am, just talk about the product and have the product in the background. You can have just a screen, and you can have your little icon there, which you can also click off there if you need to, or you can have camera only, where obviously where it's just filming you like that, and you don't have to worry about what's behind you, and that can be quite helpful if you're doing, say, the introduction to a video like I am. So we'll take that down there, and then we'll put me there. Obviously you can have it anywhere you want, which is also helpful. And we're going to do screen and camera, and then what I'm going to do is do a obviously, yep, you want to check that your mic's working. You can go to advanced options here and change the camera source, the microphone source, and all these various options, and you press start recording. Now the one thing it does, because I got three screens going, you can't quite see the screen that it's popped up on, but on another screen it's popped up which screen do I want. Do I want screen 1, 2 or 3? So this is screen 2 here, so we do that, and then we'll see that it's starting now. So it's picked me up, and this is an actual Zoom recording. Now the weird thing is, of course, I'm recording on Zoom and also recording on a software called Camtasia, so it's, it's a bit confusing, but this is Zoom, so it's you know, if I was doing it, I'd be talking about this website and do that, click on here and click on there and explain it. And so I'm doing a presentation. Now the other great thing as well is that if you're doing a PowerPoint presentation and you have the PowerPoint presentation online, you can also talk about that as well. So it's popped up me, so you could have yourself over the top of a PowerPoint presentation, or you can imagine this over the top of, say, an Amazon page, or if you're doing a tutorial about a product. So I'm going to press stop there. I can also pause it if I wanted to. I'm going to press stop. And here we go. this is now, obviously I've disappeared, you can't see me, but you can see the page that Zoom has produced for this video. So we've got the video here, you can play it back, obviously the normal controls. You can change the title, so let's say it's a product review by me, date, all this type of stuff. You can download it, so you could download this what's been recorded, and then you could edit it in another piece of software. Say for example, if you had Premiere Pro that you wanted to really spruce up the video, you can copy it if you need to, you can bin it, you can share it here. It's quite helpful. Move it to a folder, so you have different folders, so you can have a course that's folder for example. Now the other thing that I really like is if you're reviewing a page, and let's say it's an Amazon product for example, and it has your affiliate link, then you could directly copy this link and have it, the one that you're talking about. You can change some of the settings here. You can trim it. This is very basic. It's a very basic editing. But let's say for example at the beginning your cat walks in and starts walking all over your keyboard and messing everything up, and you want to trim that out, you can do that. These options here are for paid services, which we don't. This is just a free one. The paid one is basically $5 a month, which is really good for what you're getting. $5 is nothing really for this type of software. Copy the link. You can add a password, so for example if you have a course that you want to password protect, you can do that, or you can invite people specifically. So then you go to where your videos are kept and you can have various folders here. So if you have a course, you can have a course there, and you can share that one particular folder to people who are maybe going through your course. And there you go. So you can also have the desktop app, which I've not really explored myself, but you can get that. The great thing is you don't have to download any software. So if you have a fairly basic laptop, you don't have to install even more software if you don't want to. It's all just an app. If you're using a laptop that has high security, maybe it's a work laptop for example, you don't have to worry about that. You can password protect, and all this is free, which is absolutely incredible. So again, rather than paying for expensive software, you can use this free option. So I hope that's helpful. Please comment below, subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and hit that notification bell for new updates regarding affiliate marketing, software, product reviews, etc. Thank you for watching.